Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Catia V5 basics. So in today's tutorial I will show you how to sketch different rectangles and parallelogram and stuff like that in Catia V5. So let's start from art design. You can name it exercise 4. Okay, so just take any of the planes. I'm going to take XY plane and go for a sketch. So here you can see there are different rectangle and oriented rectangle, parallelogram, then these different stuffs, and then centered rectangle and centered parallelogram. So I will quickly start from the first one, which is rectangle. So just select it. So this rectangle is basically just click somewhere and drag your mouse and click again, your rectangle is done. So I will show you one more time. Select and then click, then drag and then click one more time. So this is one simple rectangle, or you can say it as a corner rectangle. Then the next one is oriented rectangle. So this oriented rectangle is you click somewhere, then if you want to give an angle like this, or you want to keep it in a 90 degree like this, it's up to you. So I'll go for an angle one, so then click and then another click. One more time, oriented rectangle. So click once, keep it straight, click again, then extend it on any of the side, then click again. So this is the oriented rectangle. And the next one is parallelogram. So you might be knowing what a parallelogram is, no need to explain it here. So just click it somewhere here and then click somewhere over here. So this is a simple parallelogram. And next one is centered rectangle. So centered rectangle is basically when you draw a centered rectangle, like I'm doing start and then finish, so it from wherever you start or wherever you selected center, it will be symmetric on either of the sides. So you mean I mean, if I started from here, so it's symmetric from this axis on either side and this axis on either side. So let's take one more centered rectangle. So this is the thing. So as there is no axis over here, but still it's a centered one, you can see the point in the center of the rectangle. So the last one is centered parallelogram. So centered parallelogram is a typical one in this case. So for that we need two axes, maybe vertical and horizontal. So let's quickly draw some axes. Vertical, horizontal. Now let's select centered parallelogram. So to draw a centered parallelogram we need two axes, so we will use this two axes. So this is what centered parallelogram is. Without these two axes, if I want to draw my centered parallelogram, it is not possible. So the two axes are very important in sketching this centered parallelogram. So let's draw it one more time. I'll take this one and this one, just two axes from anywhere you can take. This is what I wanted to show you, the different types of rectangles and parallelogram that you can sketch in Catia V5. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe and comment down if you have any doubts, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much and peace.